Welcome back to Planet Trash, where we give you straight up facts.
Eat your trash, trouble is what attracts.
You will be hated. Pollution is outdated.
Helping Earth is what we do. You should try it too. So welcome back to Planet Trash. Let's save it while it lasts.
We need this world to survive. It's the only thing keeping us alive.
Let's just hope people chime in soon, or else we'll all be facing doom.
In order to build the roller coaster, you're going to need some materials. So what you should gather is paper tubes, some cardboard, and then optional supplies can include like an egg carton, bubble wrap. But what you also need is marbles. You will need the following office supplies: some masking tape, some clear tape, a pair of scissors, a marker, a ruler, and optionally a stapler. So this is how to cut the track. What you want to do is you want to pinch the sides of the tube, then you unpinch it, and there should be a crease right here. So what you do is you take your scissors and then you cut it across, and then you cut the other side, and then you get two pieces of the track. You could do this as many times as you want. As you go, you want to make sure that your roller coaster will work.
Go.